It's 2:30 at kauuwi ko lang from the MMFF 50 gabi ng parangal na ginanap sa Soler. It was tiring, but all in all, the experience was really special kasi nga golden anniversary ng MMFF. And well, if you are part of the program or if you're part of the audience pala at hindi mo nakita yung flaws na pinapanood o pinapalabas sa live stream or let's say sa TV, kasi pag nandun ka, you're part of the whole show. It's an experience. So kung may mali man doon, hindi mo makikita, wala naman mali eh. I think the program was very seamless. A normal award show, ganun naman yun eh. Ibang award show nga, haba-haba ng break. Pero itong MMFF, sakto lang. Lalabas nga kami para mag-CR. Pagbalik namin, ay nandyan na. Or di kaya, pupunta kami sa likod, sa Yossi area. Tapos biglang, ay, mag-start na ng next category. But anyway, the reason of this video, I'm going to react to the winners. Kasi marami nag-react eh. Pero before I do the reaction thing, if you're going to read my previous posts, I was very vocal na ang aking best picture talaga ay ang Green Bones. And pumapangalawa dyan yung Uninvited. Then pangatlo ko yung My Future You ng Regal Films. Unfortunately, ang Uninvited, hindi siya kasama sa top 4 o sa top 4 na Best Picture. Kasi ang Best Picture ay Green Bones, which I'm really happy kasi I was really rooting for the film. Number 2 was The Kingdom. Okay. Number 3, My Future You, and I'm very happy na nanalo My Future You kasi sobrang baba na expectations ko sa My Future You. Pero nung napanood ko siya, my God, I was really surprised. Ang galing ng Francet. And the film itself, maganda yung pelikula. Sabi ko nga, kung hindi ka fan ng Francet at pinanood mo yung My Future You, magiging fan ka ng love team na yon. Napakalinis ang latag ng storya, napakalinis ang editing, ang galing ng acting. It's, all in all, it's a very well-crafted movie. And ang fourth best picture ay napunta sa Isang Himala. Well, yeah, maganda ang Isang Himala. Siguro lang, more time and additional budget, it would have been a better film. Though it is in itself a good film na. Lang, happy lang ako sa Green Bones kasi I've been really raving about it. Punta sa Best Director. Best Director, Michael Toviera ng The Kingdom. Okay. My Future You, Crisanto. Yeah, I was really expecting na he would be nominated. But winning, I'm happy. But I think Zig Dulay also deserved the award, or he deserves the award. For some reason, hindi siya nanalo. Kasi Green Bones, I don't know, wala akong makitang, it's not entirely perfect. Meron siyang mga konting flaws na nakita ko when I watched the film. Pero Zig Dulay deserved to be awarded with Best Director. Pero saludo kay Crisanto Aquino. And and Michael Toviera. Very bold move ang ginawa niya doon sa The Kingdom. Best Actor, Dennis Trillo. Sabi ko nga makikipagpatayan ako for Dennis Trillo. I was really rooting for Dennis Trillo. Ang hindi ko lang maintindihan doon sa Best Actor category, wala si Aga Mulak. And I believe Aga Mulak did very well dun sa sa Uninvited. Sabi ko nga siya yung character na maiinis ka. Sobrang maiinis ka. You will love hating the character. Yun. Well, apparently, hindi nga siya nominated, which kinda disappointing. I think even the team of Uninvited, siguro they are also disappointed na wala si Aga Mulak doon sa nominees. Ang galing kaya ni Aga doon. I mean, he was in his element and yung arte niya doon, maiinis ka sa kanya. Yun, kapag ang isang artista nainis ka sa kanya sa isang character na ginagampanan niya, ibig sabihin he was doing or he's giving justice to the character and he was doing a great job. Ganon si Aga Mulak when I saw the film. But of course, nominee si Seth Fedalin. With Seth Fedalin, naiintindihan ko bakit siya ginominee. There was a scene sa My Future You, yung yayakapin niya yung parents niya, adoptive parents niya. He was about to cry, nanginginig yung labi niya, parang ganon. And 30 seconds ba yun? Walang salita, just his facial expressions. And he affected the audience so much during the screening. Sabi ko, wow, grabe. So, nanalo si Seth din pala ng breakthrough performance, which I know na sobrang deserve niya yun. Best Actress, Judy Ann Santos. Judy Ann Santos yan Magaling si Judy Ann sa Espantajo. However, ang aking sentimental favorite sa Best Actress is Vilma Santos. Sabi ko nga sa aking column sa Manila Standard, sabi ko, baka history would repeat itself with Ate V winning the Best Actress award for, second, parang 2 years in a row. Well, hindi nangyari kanina, but Judy Ann was good in Espantajo. Also, Aisel Santos sa Isang Himala. Narinig ko lang kanina dun sa usap-usapan ng Mama Marites sa Soler. Sabi nila magaling si Aisel Santos, kaya lang medyo nagkulang. Sayang, it's an iconic character to play, pero nagkulang But she was good, pero there's something lacking. Okay. Best Supporting Actor, Ruru Madrid. Ruru was good, but I think Sid Lucero. Magaling si Sid Lucero. But yeah, deserved din naman ni Ruru Madrid. He improved a lot. He improved so much in terms of his acting skills. So congratulations, Ruru. For Best Supporting Actress, everybody was saying Kaki Theodoro. Parang Kaki Theodoro, dun, parang walang kasunod. It was it was her. Then, probably Chanda Romero or Lorna Tolentino, but Kaki, iba ang minitaw ni Kaki sa Isang Himala. Best Screenplay, expected Green Bones ang nanalo. And normally, kung sinong mananalo ng screenplay, siya rin ang mananalo ng Best Picture. Which nangyari last year yon. At nangyari din this year. Best Cinematography, Green Bones, as expected. Pero I was thinking, maganda yung cinematography ng Uninvited eh. Even Topak, maganda ang cinematography ng Topak. Well, nominated naman sila. Best Production Design, The Kingdom ang nanalo. Yeah. And Isang Himala, I was actually I thought Isang Himala ang mananalo, but The Kingdom, it was a choice of the jury. And Best Editing, My Future You. Ang seamless kasi ng My Future You eh. Ang linis. The story was malinis. The editing was seamless. Pero I was actually thinking na ano rin, Green Bones din ang best editing, but yeah. Kung My Future You, congratulations. Magaling din naman. Best Sound, Strange Frequencies. Ang Strange Frequencies, siya yung sa umpisa parang, ano ba to? Ano bang klaseng pelikula to? Hanggang sa habang tumatagal, ay, gumaganda. Tatapusin ko to. Alam mo yun, ayaw mo siyang ayaw mo siyang tayuan. Na parang, sa una, parang, ayaw kong panoorin. Kasi parang magulo yung camera. Kasi nga they were using GoPro. Pero habang tumatagal, uy, ang galing nila. Ang galing ng mga actors, especially yung mga bago na may comedy at iba yung bitaw na hindi mo pa nakita sa ibang comedian. I mean, alam mo yun, kasi like for example, pag Vice Ganda, alam mo na yung comedy eh. Ito may bagong mga comedian, well, not really comedy, pero yung bitaw ng comedy nila on point, kaya iba yung atake, kaya medyo interesting. Best Original Theme Song, Ang Himala ay Nasa Puso. Given, ikaw musical, so parang kung hindi ka manalo ng Best Music or Best Original Theme Song, bakit? May musical ka. Parang, 'di ba, ang daming music dun sa musical na pwedeng manominate. So, yeah. Congrats sa Ang Himala. Do I make sense? Best Musical Score, Isang Himala din, Vincent De Jesus. Best Visual Effects, The Kingdom. Visual Effects. Okay. Sige. Best Child Performer, si Shannon Stevens ng Green Bones. Ang galing ng batang yan. I think siya rin yung sa Royal Blood with Ding Dong Dantes, yung series. I think yun yung batang yun eh. Magaling na bata. Kalaban niya si Kian Ko ng Espantajo and Zion Cruz ng The Kingdom. Got Puno Antonio Villegas Cultural Award. So, it went to The Kingdom, given parang meron pa bang pelikula doon na kultura ang highlight o ang focus? Kingdom lang. Fernando Poe Jr. Memorial Excellence Award. Memorial Award for Excellence. It went to Topak. Sabi nila Fernando Poe Jr. kasi action. So, Topak. Pero maganda daw yung Topak eh. Sorry, pero hindi ko pa napanood yung Topak. Pero most of the people I know na nakapanood na ng pelikula, they're putting Topak in their top 4. So, I'm going to watch it. Best Float, Topak and Uninvited. Na-interview namin si Sylvia Sanchez before the awards night. before the program started, sa gabi ng parangal, sabi ko sa kanya, Miss Sylvia, do you have any expectations sa awards night na to? Sabi niya, actually wala. Ay, meron pala. I was hoping to win Best Float. Kasi, pangarap daw niya yun. And true enough, nanalo siya ng Best Float with Uninvited. Tayo sila. At ito lang yata ang napanalo ng Uninvited. Wala silang napanalo ng iba. Which is nakakalungkot. Siguro, ewan ko, hindi rin sila nasama sa top 4 ng Best Picture eh. Decision ng jury yun. We cannot question their decision. But as a viewer, I believe it deserves an award. Especially si Ate V and Aga Mulak. I'm not saying na yung mga nanalo hindi deserving. I'm just saying na if those awards were given to Vilma Santos and Aga Mulak, hindi pala Aga Mulak kasi Best Actor eh. Sabi ko nga makikipagpatayo nung kay Dennis Trillo. Pero sana na-nominate sila, si Aga Mulak. Sorry pa ulit ako kasi hindi yung makaget over na hindi na-nominate sa Aga Mulak na ang galing-galing sa Uninvited eh. So yun, the other awards, Gender Sensitivity Award went to And the Breadwinner Is. Tapos nakakatawa kasi ang daming special jury prize. Ilan ba special jury prize nila? Well, it went to Topak and isang Himala. Tapos, meron pang isang award eh. Si Vice Ganda, nanalo siya ng award. Ano ba yung award niya? Special Jury Citation. Tapos nakakatawa nga, sabi niya, ano ba yung award na to? Best Dress? Best... Ayun. Anyway, I was thinking, ito na may opinion ko lang, na may mga yung special jury prize dinagdagan, special citation, para siyang, sorry for the word, para siyang pampalubag loob sa dahil hindi ka mananalo, ito yung bibigyan namin sa'yo. To appreciate that you came to the award show and showed up, dressed up, sikat ka artista, so we will give you an award. Pero yun nga, award show to may nanalo at pinatalo. But that doesn't mean na sa ibang mong project ay hindi ka mas magaling sa mga nanalo. Ano daw? Sorry Akawi ko lang kasi from the... Tinan mo, may sticker pa ako ng MMFF kasi pag wala kang ganito, di ka makakapasok. Well, all in all, I'm very happy with the results. The film that I was really rooting and cheering for, ang Green Bones, ay nanalo. And My Future You was recognized. I'm very, very happy. Yun lang, hindi nanalo si Ate V at saka si Aga. Hindi pa yung manalo si Aga kasi pag nanalo si Aga, hindi pa yung manalo si Dennis Trillo. Si Dennis Trillo talaga ang best actor ko eh. Pero talaga nominate dapat si Aga eh. Kung hindi nanalo si Judy Ann at si Ate V ang nanalo, okay lang sa akin. I would be happy. But Judy Ann deserved the award. So yun, magpapalit na ako at anong oras na? Mag-aalas 3 na. So congratulations to all the winners and sana mabigyan ng more screens pa, especially ang Green Bones, ang isang Himala, even Topak. Sana mabigyan pa sila ng maraming sinehan. Yun. Congratulations to all the winners at mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino. Bye-bye!